Yo, 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 yo. What's up? What's up? Let's wait for a couple of people to tune in. But today, I just decided, let me just give you guys like a rundown of what happens here, and how I come up with like little bit of skills here and there using the CDJs and stopping music, starting music, doing all sorts of interesting things on the equipment, So today I'm gonna show you a trick that I figured out on the CDJ 2000 Nexus 2. But you can do it on any Pioneer CDJ, So this is it. So I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of times where I play a song, an a cappella on top of a song, and then I sort of loop it and then push it back so that it makes like a sound which I use to emphasize on a moment on the song, So this is normally what I do, right? Maybe let me get a different a cappella. Okay, sure. Let's play Hey Hey for instance. So Hey Hey goes
just an ordinary day,
right?
Till you came around, I had my feet on the ground.
So I'm gonna choose a part of the vocal that I'm going to loop, create a moment out of it, and then play a different song on the other side. I should have connected my other CDJ, but I'll use this turntable. Cool. So I am going to play the acapella and then bring in the song from a different place. It's gonna be a bit difficult on turntables, but I'm gonna try and do it. So this is how it goes.
Just an ordinary day.
Nah.
Till you came around, I had my feet on the ground. So much for that.
Let me change the song.
Just an ordinary day. Till you came around,
That's the wrong one.
and now my life's upside down. Imagine that. And it's all because I heard you say. And it's all because I heard you say.
So I'm gonna stop the acapella where I wanted to stop. So I'm gonna go.
And I heard you say.
So automatically, people will think, what the fuck's going on? Like, so is there like a scratch or something? So you're creating a moment of suspense to us, people asking, what's going on? Why is this thing not moving from one place? So it goes say. But you know what you're creating. Like, I'll create a moment like this where it's like, what the fuck is the DJ doing? And then this is what I figured. So on the loop section of a CDJ, there's an in cue and out. Né? I realized that when you press the out button, it starts flashing alone, and that helps you with being able to fix your loop. So if it sounds faster than the song that you want to put, you press the out and you move it maybe a second or a millisecond out, and then it will fix it. But I use it for a different thing. So I say, cool, it say. I'm gonna create a moment from this, so I'll do this. It's going, as I'm pulling it back, it's going faster and faster. create like some sort of suspense when I DJ, because people want to feel like, fuck, this person is not just playing music, you know, he's doing something. That's why we paid him, you know. So I create such moments in terms of breaks, using acapellas, looping them. Now I figured out that if I loop an acapella and I do that and I put it onto vinyl mode and I stop it, it creates a nice effect, you know. So if I do this, I can then go. Give me. So yeah, that's it. That's today's class, if I can call it that. I'll try and get more things that I need to do, but I always sit down and practice and see what I can do, what's new, what type of trick I can do to be innovative. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you on the next episode. Me, my robot self.